Ancient medicine was not evidence-based, it was confidence-based. If you said it loudly enough, while holding the correct object, the illness often got embarrassed and left. Sometimes, let's tour 6 civilizations and their shared medical philosophy of, this seems fine. Ancient Egyptians believed illness was caused by angry gods, bad spirits, or your organs freelancing. Their cures included honey, actually good, herbs, sometimes good spells, emotionally supportive, and dung was medicine. Why dung? Because if the infection didn't leave, the patient definitely wanted to. They also wore amulets for everything. Anxiety, wear a beetle. Bad dreams, beetle. Fear of dying, extra beetle. Egypt didn't have therapy. Egypt had beetles. Celtic medicine was enthusiastic. They mixed garlic, honey, and animal fat into a paste and slapped it on wounds. They didn't know about bacteria. They just knew, put the smelly stuff on it until it stopped screaming. Shockingly, it worked. Modern science tested it and went, why are you correct? Celtic healing wasn't gentle. It was aggressively supportive. Mesopotamian doctors used herbs and spells. Very normal. But if the patient didn't live, the punishment wasn't retraining and suspension. It was, we remove the doctor's hands. Which means every diagnosis came with the energy of, I am extremely confident. This wasn't healthcare. This was medicine with a warranty clause. Ancient Greece invented medical theory, and immediately made it everyone's problem. They believed illness came from imbalanced humours, blood, phlegm, black bile and yellow bile, too much bile, sick, too little bile, also sick. Solution: bleeding, purging, vomiting, diet changes, long lectures. Greek doctors were basically like, your fluids are arguing. We must discipline them. They also believed fresh air, walking, and moderation cured many things. Which means Greece invented medicine and the concept of saying, have you tried not being like this? Rome looked at Greek medicine and said, yes, but louder. Roman doctors loved bloodletting, enemas, purging, removing fluids until the problem stopped, usually because the patient stopped. Roman surgery had tools. Lots of tools. Screaming was expected. If you survived, it was a success. If you didn't, the disease was clearly very serious. Rome didn't practice healing. It practiced medical confidence. Aztec medicine was actually very advanced, which makes the next part complicated. They used herbal treatments, steam baths, bone setting, surgery, all good, but illness was also believed to be caused by offended gods, spiritual imbalance, or the universe being personally disappointed in you, so treatment could involve medicine and ritual. If you recovered, the gods were pleased. If you didn't, the gods had made a decision. Aztec medicine worked frighteningly well. It just came with additional paperwork for the afterlife. Did ancient medicine work? Sometimes. Did it make sense? Absolutely not. But every civilization agreed on one thing. Try something. Say a prayer. Hope you don't die. Modern medicine didn't replace this. It just added microscopes and slightly fewer beetles.